How to make a Gemini man fall in love with a Scorpio woman. Gemini men are known for their charm, wit, and love for mental stimulation. Scorpio women are deep, intense, and mysterious. Though they seem like opposites, this contrast can create a magnetic connection if approached wisely. Get a man hooked on you. Discover what men secretly want and become his secret obsession. Click the link below in the description to learn more. Here's a concise guide on how to make a Gemini man fall in love with a Scorpio woman. 1. Keep him curious, reveal yourself slowly. Mystery attracts a Gemini. Let him discover your layers over time. 2. Stimulate his mind, engage in conversations that range from philosophy to quirky facts. Gemini values mental variety. 3. Stay emotionally balanced, avoid overwhelming him with intense emotions. Be composed, yet sincere in your feelings. 4. Be independent. Gemini men love freedom. Show him you have your own life and passions. 5. Use subtle flirtation. Scorpio's natural magnetism is powerful. Let your eyes, tone, and silence do the talking. 6. Be spontaneous. Suggest fun, unplanned adventures. Gemini thrives on unpredictability and excitement. 7. Match his humor. Wit is his love language. Laugh, tease, and keep things lighthearted when needed. 8. Respect his space. He needs room to breathe. Don't smother him, he'll come back if he feels free. 9. Show loyalty silently. You don't need to say much. Your consistent support and quiet strength will earn his trust. 10. Be sensual, not intense. Flirt with finesse. Gradual intimacy works better than emotional overload. In understanding how to make a Gemini man fall in love with a Scorpio woman, the key lies in balance, between mystery and clarity, closeness and freedom. With patience and charm, the Scorpio woman can win his ever-curious heart. Do you want to get him chasing you like crazy? Discover what men secretly want and make him want you forever. Click the link below in the description to learn more. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment and share this video.